I think any kind of school could benefit from the SuperCoach programme. If you've got children who love doing sports and if you've got children who don't love doing sports, it draws all children in, all abilities.
I say it's totally worth it. I've seen a lot of programmes where people are encouraged to spend their PE money, and to me it looks like sometimes they're a waste of time because they're just somebody coming in there standing and not doing anything, whereas the SuperCoach programme is perfect at targeting children and helping them to improve their physical activity. After school clubs and different things that have linked into it as well have shown that the numbers in terms of children going and attending that has increased dramatically.
I trust progressive sports impeccably, and it's really nice from a head teacher's point of view. I can leave them to get on with it.
I feel like I've got someone who can take me in the right direction, and it's not giving me too much of extra work on top of being a full-time teacher.
He can field some of those questions because he is professional. PE is his area. He knows a lot about sport, more so than I do. So he can field a lot of those questions and improve our staff's CPD.
He was going on about, oh, we can do archery, we can do fencing, we can do ultimate frisbee, all these kind of things is brilliant for me.
It's given us a good opportunity to baseline the children as well, so that we knew in our tracking system that the children were making progress. So any weaknesses that we've identified in their physical development and PE lessons, then that can be targeted through the SuperCoach programme.
It's the accountability to Ofsted. It's to say we are covering all our bases, all the key performance indicators are covered within the SuperCoach programme. But it's really looking at what you already offer as a school and saying to that coach, these are the gaps that we've got and these are the things we'd like you to do. So it takes that pressure off you when you're trying to justify your spend.
Children will have a brilliant time doing lots of different sports that they might never have done before, and even if they have, they're going to improve their skill level, they're going to be more active, more healthy, and your teachers will thank you for it.
It's lightened the load immensely.
I think it's a really, really good opportunity and a good way to spend your sports premium money.
It's raised the profile of the school in terms of PE, there's no doubt about that.
For our school in particular, in a slightly deprived area, it gives our children an opportunity to take part in something that they probably wouldn't be able to do outside of school. It's a subject that gets often too overlooked, so I'm proud that finally someone's starting to do something about it and we're starting to see some good results from it.
PE is such a big subject really, and there's a lot of money with the sports premium to spend. So it's been really reassuring for me.
If somebody was thinking about investing in the programme, I'd say go for it straight away without any hesitation.
I'd say if you wanted a free trial, do it, give it a go.
You should definitely not miss out on it because there's so many activities that you probably don't know about that you'll just get to know about by taking the free trial.
You've got nothing to lose at the end of it, and at the end of the day it's going to benefit the children and your staff, and the free trial is really important.